Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So in this video, I will tell you how you can create your video graphics and slides. So first of all, you have to come on canva.com, which is a free website. When you come on canva.com, then you have to create an account. I hope you already create an account because in previous video, I will tell you for your logo and channel arts. So after coming on Canva website, you have to click on search button and write YouTube video. Now after searching YouTube video, you have to click on blank project. Right click blank YouTube video. Click over here and now you have to create templates for your whole video. So I will tell you how you can create a template for your video. First of all, you have to choose a background. So I click over here and click on color. When I click on color, I choose a gradients that I used. So after that, you have to click on text button, add a heading, and write face less. Now I will put my script title. So I paste the title. So I choose the color white and how well small the size of words, so it's look better. Now I choose a font that is well my favorite, Bentio Grabular. So after that, then I coloring the word, click over here and choose a green and hex. You can choose as you want. I choose this type of editing. So after that, you have to write here. So first of all, copy this, duplicate this, and scroll down and delete all, write data and click over here and choose alignment in center. This is a center alignment. Now you have to click in apps, then you have to search on bulk creation. So bulk create. You will get an option here because I pin this, so I get over here. Click on bulk creation. Enter data manually. Click on enter data manually. So for the garbage data will be shown here. Click on clear table, and after that you have to enter here data and then click over here. So now paste your script here. Before pasting your script, you have to align the script. So how I will show you how you can. So break down all the script in a sentence, and each sentence will have 20 to 25 words. If this sentence will be like this, you have to break down like this. And I, as you can see, I break down all the script into sentence 20 to 25 word each sentence. So copy all the script and now paste into the Excel file. Control V and now click on done. When you click on done, now you have to connect the data. Click over here and click three dots, connect data, and click on data. Your data will be correct. Now click on continue. So all of your sentence will show here. So here will be 40, here will be 40 slides will be generated. So if I complete done the 40 slide, the video will be lengthy. So that's why I add just first 10 slides to just first 10 slide and add this. I just make a video for just 2 hacks and click on generate 11 pages. When you click on generate 11 pages, your slides will be ready of 11 pages as you can see. So now you can edit on the slide one by one easily. Now click on it over here and you can uh, larger. So here's looking good. So I add the graphics like this and now click on second, edit on the text one by one for slides. So and right here video. So you will choose get a video graphic, you can put it here. Now click on second.
That's is important. This is a policy. Well, it's a kind without helping. So this fast. That's where it's scope is nice. So like this
And right here fitness.
as it happens, it's just a balance of it's
Yes, color is black. You don't choose. I choose this one.
last time's reluctant is up in politics.
You will edit the complete video like this, and if I edit all the slides, this video will goes so lengthy. That's why I just added 3 slides so that you will understand. That's why I just choose increase slide. So by this method you can create multiple slides according to your script. When your script and slide are ready, then the next step is merging both and create a complete video. So see you in next video, how you can merge your slides and your audio. So after completing all the slides, you have to download the slide. Click on share button, click on download button, and you have to choose PNG and click on download. On that, when you click on download, your slide will be completely download. So in next video I will extract all these slide and add the audio. Okay, bye.